Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back. Guys, this is in the orange folder, and this is our Schoology landing page. It looks like this. Okay? Now, it looks a little different. Mine looks a little different than yours because I still haven't published some of these things, okay? But look at, you can go down and dig through this red folder. There's only one thing in there. That's today's folder because we only have one day. But guys, I want to let you know that you can always just start right here. All right, what I do is I create a links page every day. So the top one will always be the current one. And today we're doing key features of quadratic functions. You can just click here and you end up right in today's folder every time. All right. Now, you should have already done the green folder. All right, now we're going to look in the orange folder. Now, the video you're watching right now, I'm making it right now, so I haven't put it in here yet, okay? But I want to show you the Desmos graphing calculator. It's right here. Let's open it up. Guys, you can use Desmos for a lot of things in this class. All right, so let's just put a quadratic in here. Y equals x squared, okay? Now, the x squared, I use the keyboard down here. And right here is the squared, a squared, it says there. That gives you the y equals x squared. Now, we can look at this. Let's just look at this for a minute. This is the parent function. Okay, I can zoom in a little bit here. Again, it goes through the origin. It has a minimum value here. It doesn't go anywhere down below here. It doesn't go down here at all. All right? It goes when x is 1, y is 1. All right? And when x is 2, well, y is 4. Right? And when x is 3, y is 9. All the way up, because 3 times 3 is 9. Now, it does the same thing on the negative side, too. When x is negative 1, y is 1. When x is negative 2, y is 4. Because, again, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Positive 4. Okay? And the same thing with the negative 3 up to 9. Okay? Let's come back in here and do a couple things. What if I put a negative just in front of that? Negative. You see how it flips it over? Let's put a negative in front there. Close this out. Now it's upside down. Okay, so when a is negative, it flips it upside down. Okay? Oh, sorry, let me just talk about this a minute. Again, this one, guys, a little closer. Here where x is 1, y is negative 1. And the same thing, guys, when x is negative 1, y is still negative 1. All right? When x is 2, y is now negative 4. All right? And again, when x is negative 2, y is now negative 4. All right? So there's a negative in front. Remember, negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. But we put a negative in front of there, so now it's negative 4. All right? Now let's do something else. Let's get rid of that negative sign. Let's put a 2 in front. In fact, I'll tell you what, let's put a 5 in front. Okay? See how it shrinks it? It makes it skinny. So when x is 1, y is now 5. You see that? It goes up, it's skinnier. All right? It goes up faster. So it's thinner, it's narrower. Okay? And again, we can flip it over and put a negative in front. This flips it over. So again, it's going down faster now. So it's thinner. It's more narrow. Okay, the U is more narrow. However, if I would take this, I'm going to get rid of the negative again. What if I put like a half? How about 0.5? See how it's wider? Let's go like 0.2. Look how wide that is. You see it? Okay? Because when x is 1, y is just 0.2. All right, see that? So it goes up slower. It's going up slower. All right, look at when x is 2, y here looks to me like it's 0.8. See that right there? So we aren't even at 1 yet. All right, again, the same with the negative. Put a negative in front, flips it upside down. It's nice and wide upside down. I know something else you can do if you want to. I can just put an A, just put the letter A. And then it says here, add a slider. Okay, let's add a slider. Click on there. There's a slider. Right here it says A equals 1. That's what it looks like. Well, I can slide this up. A is now getting bigger. A is getting bigger. See how it's getting narrow, narrow, narrow. It's getting bigger. Now it's getting smaller. Right there. A is 1. That's the parent function. And now we can start going wider. 0.7. Now it's 0.6, 0.5. And wider. And then it gets wider. It's starting to flatten out almost. And then it does, at 0, it does flatten out. And then boom, it turns negative. It's negative and starts very wide because it's negative 0.1. It gets more narrow until it hits negative 1. That again, that's almost the parent function. It's the parent function flipped over. And then if you get bigger, 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 a bigger negative, it starts to get thinner, thinner, thinner. Okay? So guys, use Desmos. All right, use it during this this unit. It's okay. All right, guys, that's it. Go ahead and try this exit ticket. Okay, we should have done the vocabulary by now. Go ahead and try this exit ticket, guys. It's not that hard. Okay. All right, that's it. Thanks.